In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Vietnam on Remitly. To get started, open the Remitly app or go to the Remitly website and sign into your account. If you do not already have an account, create one first and complete any required verification steps. This is important because money transfers often require identity confirmation for security and compliance purposes. Once you are inside your account, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. Click or tap on it, then select Vietnam as the destination country. After that, choose the option to send money. This tells Remitly where your transfer is going and helps show the available transfer options for that destination. Next, you will choose who you are sending money to. If the recipient has already been saved in your contacts, simply click on their name to continue. If they are not saved yet, select the option to add a new contact. Make sure the recipient's country is set correctly, especially if the app asks you to confirm it during this step. Taking a moment to verify the contact details here can help prevent mistakes later in the process. After that, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the exchange rate, transfer fees, and the amount the recipient will receive. This is a good time to double-check that the total cost and payout amount match what you expect. Next, select the delivery method. The options available may vary depending on the destination and the recipient's setup. Choose the method that works best for the person receiving the money. Then, select your payment method. For example, this could be a bank account, debit card, or another available option depending on your region and your Remitly account. Once you have chosen the payment method, click Continue. At this stage, enter the recipient's account details exactly as required on the screen. Be careful here, because even a small error in account information can delay the transfer or cause it to fail. After entering the details, simply follow the prompts on your screen to review everything and complete the transfer. Before you submit, take one final look at the recipient information, the amount, the delivery method, and your payment method. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and wait for the confirmation message. And that's how to send money to Vietnam on Remitly.